Whether you're starting a new business or rebranding another one, your logo is extremely important and is often the first thing people will see. Hiring a designer, though, can be extremely expensive, but thankfully there are a lot of really powerful tools now that can help you make this process a lot easier. And today I'm going to go over 5 of the absolute best online logo creators that you can use today. And let's jump right into it, and the first one I want to talk about is Looka. Powered by artificial intelligence, Looka walks you through a series of steps to determine your preferences and provide you with over 75 logo designs to choose your favorite. In addition to generating logos, Looka allows you to upload an existing logo and then provides design suggestions to improve it. You'll have access to all kinds of features upon generating your logos. You can browse different layout options and color schemes, change the logo container, and make text edits. In addition to those features, you can purchase additional products to build your brand. If you want a great way to create custom logos without any design experience, then you might want to try out Looka. And basic logo packages start at $20, with brand kit subscriptions costing $96 a year. So that was just the first one of a lot of powerful tools I'm going to talk about, and if you want to try any of them out for yourself, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links for every single one. Now, if you do decide to make a purchase using any of these links, we may receive a commission, which goes to help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Next up on our list is DesignEvo Logo Maker. DesignEvo stands out as one of the best logo makers due to its vast selection of excellent logo choices. It feels similar to Canva with its simple interface and number of design elements and editing tools. They offer over 10,000 templates, up to a 5,000 pixel resolution image file, and extensive customization options. Also, you'll be able to log back into the platform to change your logo as often as you'd like, allowing you to tweak colors, fonts, and other design elements as your brand evolves. Those who need a simple interface and scalable vector graphic files should definitely check out DesignEvo, and pricing for this one is just a one-time fee of $49.99. Next up on our list is Adobe Express Logo Maker. Like other logo makers on this list, Adobe starts the process by asking questions related to your business. You'll choose your business type and style preferences, and then watch as Adobe creates a logo based on your preferences. The beauty of Adobe Express is in its simplicity. They take a no-frills approach to logo design, giving you only a few options for customization. Depending on your skill level, this is a good thing. For some people, too many choices can become overwhelming, so keeping it simple can avoid a lot of stress. Another benefit is that the logos it generates are actually super good. Sure, you'll need to weed through several to find the perfect fit, but overall it provides some high quality options. One of the best parts too is Adobe Express Logo Maker is 100% free to use. You will need to sign up for an Adobe account to download your logos, but using it is completely free. Number 4 is Wix Logo Maker. Wix Logo Maker is a completely free offering from one of the biggest names outside of WordPress. Now that being said, you must have a free or paid account through Wix in order to use their logo maker. It works by asking a series of questions to get a feel for the look you're going for, and then provides dozens of options on the fly. Once your logo concepts are generated, you can edit the colors, add text and fonts, change the symbol, and swap the background colors. The Wix Logo Maker does generate some really nice looking logos, and if you're already a Wix user, it's a no-brainer. However, some flaws do exist. The standard logo package lacks editable vector files, requiring you to return to the logo maker should you need to make edits. Another downside is that it almost has too many options, which could overwhelm some users. But again, pricing for this one is completely free. And finally, we have Squarespace Logo Maker. Squarespace is another huge name when it comes to the world of website builders. They also offer a free logo maker with some pretty cool features. It's similar to others on our list where you input your business name and a niche to generate a logo. There are a few customization options where you can edit text, pick a symbol, and make other minor adjustments. Squarespace's standout feature is the built-in mockup tool, which allows you to view your logo design on various applications. This includes things such as business cards, t-shirts, and on the web. This is a nice tool for those looking to preview their creation in multiple ways. Now you'll need at least a free Squarespace account though to download your logo, but that being said, you aren't required to do anything else to get 3 high-quality PNG files. Squarespace is similar to Wix and Adobe Express with the exception of file quality. With Squarespace Logo Maker, you'll get a set of 2,000 pixel wide PNG files. The downside though is that there aren't any editable SVG or APS downloads. But again, this one is also completely free to use. So there you have 5 of the absolute best online logo generators that you can use today. Before you go, make sure you check out some of our other content. We've been putting out a lot of different product reviews and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.